Welcome to our next video. Here come the guys. This is the Peninsula. Vado Peninsula. To access this peninsula, you need to go to Vado State Park in New Mexico and take 95 to Peninsula Drive. Take a left and you'll be on the peninsula. This is a very remote area, and we were here for a few weeks and didn't see anyone camping out here, although there is some self-service. DUANE had AT&T and I had Verizon up by the restroom. Up by the restrooms, which are pit toilets, there's trees. Otherwise, there's just this sagebrush, and there's a few pull-offs, so there's plenty of room for everyone. It's fairly level. Since the lake is so low, there's not really good access to the water here, but it is very pretty. At the end of the peninsula, there's a cul-de-sac where you can turn around, and it's a beautiful view. I'm just guessing, but it's about 3 miles from where you enter the park and to the end of the peninsula. 2 or 3 miles, I'd say. There's the dam, and there's the boat ramp, and there's the El Vado campground.
Where do you guys camp over?
We did not camp on the peninsula. We just went out there a couple of times to enjoy the ride and the view. We were told there's a cemetery on the peninsula, and we looked for it, but we never did find it. If you like our videos, subscribe to our channel, hit that thumbs up button, and thanks for watching.